problem. This is very simple, and if you see here, we have given two lists, and this list is total number of element, which is so 3 element is 0 0, and this one is 1 2 3 0 0 1 2 5 6, and the number of element also. So these are the sorted array, and we want to merge together, right? Array we are merging 1 2 3 and 2 5 6. The result of this merging is 1 2 2 3 5 6, which is under line element. Similarly, we num1 equal to num2 equal to 0, so it will be num. Similarly, num0 equal to 0, m equal to 0, num2 equal to 1, then it should be 1. So how we are going to do, right? So what we are going to do, we will start from end and we'll check these two elements. If these two elements, this one is bigger than this one, then we replace the same. If this one is bigger, then we replace this one here. Then we do iterate -1 and we will check, and then after that we will use one more time loops if there is any element. So let's do this one, right? So and equal to m plus n means total length of the array of 2, and m equal to m minus 1 I'm taking, or we can use n equal to, I'm using n minus 1 because as you know array index start with 0 and it is less element. Okay, so let's do this one while, okay, and now this loop is going to run until it will become a 0, right? So m is 0 equal to 0 equal to 0, and n is also equal to 0, and equal to also equal to 0. So these three conditions true, then we are going to run, and then I'm going to check whether this nums1, okay, so this nums1 is having m value, right? So I'm putting m, and nums2 is having value n. Okay, num1 num2 num1 num2. Okay, so if num1 is greater than num2 of last element, then in nums1 we are in replace elements and equal to which one, we are going to use num. So if this is low for m, then we are going to do m minus 1, right? Because we are taking care of n. Else it's a reverse, so reverse will be, so this will be n and this will to n2, in this case n, right? And if we are using the second element, second list, so we should do subtract n minus 1, and now we should do the subtract for p or and equal to and minus 1. So now what will happen, if this is for the list 1 and 2, we need to try for list, right? So we are going to try which is pending list, and we are going to try here while, and here we are going to try n m n, I think n, so whichever is the higher, let's see. So here we are going to try so we are going to try here 1, and so this is and minus 1, and we are putting and. If we have element, so we will switch element, and this is also from n, and here n equal to n minus 1 and n equal to n minus 1. I think this should be work. Let's see what's going on. Since we haven't logged in, so m equal to 3, this is fine, this one is 0, so I think we don't log in, so it will not allow to test, so we are trying to log in. So let me see, it's now working, and I have solved previously. So basically this is what we did, and this is what we need to do. So if n2 is already is still there, so we need to transfer n2 all value to n1. So that's why this loop is here, and I'm trying to run this one. It seems it's running fine, and all the test cases is the fast, and you can do the one more test cases if you really want to do. You can add here. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.